it's your girl BeautyDollCuley here. Today I wanted to film this video for you guys. I kind of winged it as I went because these life update slash like get ready with me videos, they be like so hard to film because you gotta like concentrate on what you're doing but also do what you're doing accurately and like actually remember what you have to tell people, because you can just go on a rampage like me. Like, I just, once I start talking, like I can't stop. Like, I just keep going. I don't know how to stop. My mouth just keeps like going and going and going, and it just doesn't know how to like stop. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was you know, something that can be beneficial for all of you guys. Of course, you guys know I love to spread positive energy and I want to be an inspiration for some of you guys, and I hope some of the things that I have been through can help you guys. Also, disregard the fact that I've been going through it for a very long time with my face. Like, I have been really going through it, but I'm going back on the pills. Like you guys know, in some of my old videos I was on Accutane and I had to get off of it because I went on vacation for 2 months, and now I can now I got the seriously Hannah's hair now I got the go-ahead to go back on Accutane, so I'm super excited. My face needs to get back to its softness and beautifulness. I need my face back, but I do naturally have freckles on my face, but that's neither here nor there. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna start rambling and we'll just get straight into the makeup tutorial. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you guys are not part of the doll family, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Hit that subscribe button and put your notifications on, because like I told you guys, 2017 moving to 2018, we are not playing around. This is not no jokes. Your girl is taking YouTube very seriously, and I know I keep saying that I'm taking YouTube seriously. If you guys watch this video, you guys will know what happened and why I took a break, but I really am. Things happen in life just to stop you and slow you down, and I'm not going to be stopped. I will not be slowed down, and I will continue to do what I love. So you guys, stay tuned and be a part of my journey, and we can just be the doll family, and we can all grow together. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this with love and tons of positivity in this ending of December. I'm gonna say bye, guys. Hi, my beautiful dolls. So I'm going to be starting by brushing my brows just to make all my hairy brows go in place. Then I'm going to be using my brow pencil, and I'm going to be using the N.Y.C contour palette. It's actually a palette that comes with several shades, and there's one shade that is for contouring, but I use that specifically for my brows. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's just right. I know I might sound congested for this video because I am congested. I'm sick. I'm recovering from a cold. I was on bed rest for a week. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I like to personally brush my eyebrows after I have drawn it to make it natural. Now I'm going to be using the L.A Girl Pro Concealer just to make sure underneath my eyebrows, which I have not done and cleaned up, looks like they have been done and cleaned up. Now that you look like you're ready for war with camouflage on your face, you're going to take a nice sponge. I like a clean sponge just because, as you can clearly see, my face was breaking out. My face does not look like that anymore. This video was filmed about a month and a week ago. I'm just deciding to post it up now because, like I told you guys, the struggle was real to post videos for you guys and get them up. But the voiceover is filmed the day the video goes up. Please keep that in mind. So I am sick currently. My hair is no longer black. It is blonde. Other videos will be coming up. You guys will see. I'm done rambling. I'm going to take M.A.C Painterly Paint Pot and just use that all over my lids just to make sure my eyeshadows come out popping and very standoffish, and you can see it from miles and miles and miles and meters and feet and yards away. Now that you've made yourself look like a pirate that has lost an eye, I personally like to add as much Painterly Paint Pot depending on the look that I'm going for. If I'm going for a bold eyeshadow, I like to add a lot. Now that you've spreaded that Painterly Paint Pot like butter on toast,
I am using the BH Cosmetic palette. This is the 88 shade palette. I'm using that on my lid. If you guys want to get started on makeup and you don't want to break the bank, I would definitely suggest this as an eyeshadow palette. This was the first eyeshadow palette that I purchased. I worked really hard. I remember I was in high school. I was in grade 11 and I had like a part-time job, and I decided, you know what? I'm going to get interested in makeup, and it literally kept me from all these years. So from 2013 to 2018, I still have that palette. What I'm doing right now is taking the same MAC Painterly Paint Pot and putting it in the front of my lid. I'm going to do a cut crease, but nothing really blunt. I want it to be kind of an ombre cut crease. So it's just going to be something very simple, very easy to do. I think anyone can follow this tutorial if you have just started off with makeup. It's definitely user friendly. Now I'm going to be using a mixture of high-end meets low end with my hard candy palette. This is something I also had when I first started out my channel, as you guys know. This color, you can get the same dupe as the MAC sandpaper. That is literally the same dupe as the color that I'm using on that section that I put that MAC Painterly Paint Pot on my lid. What I'm using right now is something that I picked up at a local beauty supply store. I'm not quite sure where you can find it because I live in Toronto. It's not like we have a Sally's, but basically it was different shades and it has glitters and sparkles. It's not really a mascara, but it's more of a eyeliner, and I'm using that to draw the cut crease on my lid. I'm going to do this until I get it to my liking, and of course with the transformation of editing, my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes will be done. I wanted this video to be very affordable but also have some high-end products because you know me, you guys, I'm all about saving my coin. But this foundation that I'm using is the L.A Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure they will have it. Disregard the fact of how my face is looking. I swear, even though this video was taken prior to how I look right now, I personally feel like my face did not look that bad until I actually started editing the video, and I'm like, damn, your face looked really bad. But it's all the lights and natural lighting and also my ring lights, and you know what I mean, okay? It did not look that bad. What I can say about this foundation, it definitely covers you and you do not feel it at all. I'm going to go in because I'm like pro concealer coverage. Why not use the pro concealer? So I'm going to be using my L.A Girl Pro Concealer underneath my bags because I don't know how to sleep. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I have like a case, like a serious case of insomniac. But anyways, is it insomnia? Yeah, I think it's insomnia. Now you're gonna do like me and talk, because this was a talking video, and turn to the left and turn to the right and let everyone see the pimples that's growing on the side of your face. But I'm going to now take my brush, well, my sponge, and just, why did I say brush? Like, that's clearly a sponge. I don't know what's going on today. I'm sick. Like, I have a cold. I'm gonna blame it on the cold. But we're going to just blend everything in, blend my chin, blend my nose, blend underneath my eyes, left eye, right eye, you know, just make it look seamlessly and non-creasy. If there's one product that I completely stand for, it is my M.A.C banana powder. I don't care what anyone says. They don't like to bake. I don't like to bake really every day, to be honest. I don't even really wear makeup every day. But when I do like to film a flawless makeup tutorial, or I'm going out, or I want my makeup to stay on my face, I bake with the M.A.C banana powder. I will be very firm with it. I am very strong with it. And if you tell me that that powder is not the bomb.com, I'm sorry, but I'm still going to agree that it is because it works for me and I love it. When I say love, I mean love it. Thank you so much for creating an amazing powder like that. It is amazing. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using Dark Deed by MAC. As you can see, I'm basically outlining my lips with this lipstick and getting the sides and obviously top of my lips, but I'm bringing it into the front of my lips, but not all the way. I'm not sure if you dolls noticed, but what I'm doing is, because I don't have the lip pencil for this specific shade, I am using the tip of the lipstick to work as a lip liner. Now I'm going to be taking in the collection for the brunettes natural, the color Rich in Sapia, number 231. It's from one of L'Oreal's collections. I'm now using a lip gloss that I purchased from H&M. That is it, dolls. The look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys would like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you guys can just enjoy me talking and listen to the music. Thank you so much.